The new $670 million West Riverside Energy Center provides 730 megawatts of reliable power and is the region's most environmentally friendly natural gas-fired power plant. Using the latest 2 on a combined cycle technology, the facility helps Alliant Energy transition to a cleaner energy future. The first Envision Platinum verified project in Wisconsin, the project benefits the community, restores natural ecosystems, improves air quality, and integrates with Alliant's 4-megawatt solar facility. Its unique plume abatement technology improves local views and reduces fog and icing, while water treatment solutions maximize wastewater reuse and reduce nutrients discharged. It emits significantly less carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfur dioxide, and mercury than traditional coal-fired plants. 67 acres of restored natural habitat and new trails offer a place of respite, while the Energy Lab provides interactive public education. Completed under budget and online for summer demand, plant construction created more than 1,000 jobs, and operation will bring $3 million in new taxes to the town and county. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize West Riverside Energy Center as a 2022 OCEA Honor Award.